Hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a pass in Pet Simulator because that's just something that isn't really that straightforward and the in-game tutorial is not helpful. Okay, because the link gets cut off. So first you're going to go to roblox.com. Okay, I'm just going to log into my account. Okay. So once you get to your home page, you're going to want to hit create, okay? You're going to have a discover marked within create. You're going to want to hit create, okay? Once you're here, you'll have your home page, okay? So you're going to go into creations, okay? And there's always going to be like your name and then place, okay? So there's like Ninja 2022 place, okay? So that there's always going to be that by default. You're going to click that, go down to monetization, hit passes, okay? It's right there. Okay, hit create a pass. Okay, so I already have a bunch of passes, but we're going to create a new one. Okay, we're going to put a name. So let's just say, please donate. No. So we're going to say that. Hit create pass. Okay, then you're going to want to click on the pass. Hit item for sale. Okay. And then you're just going to put in a price. Okay. You only get 70% of what you put in. So, I put in 200, and I'm only going to get 140 Robux, because they just like to I don't know the word, impose taxes, yeah. So, let's go over to please donate, and, yeah, let's just check out if that worked, okay? So, it's the 200 Robux pass. Okay, so I'm just going to do that. Okay, we're gonna have to wait for a bit. Okay, right. So let's just have this log in. Okay. Wait, what? Okay, that's weird. It disconnected. Okay, let's try that again. Okay, we're gonna go from my home page here. Okay, we're loading in, and okay, we're in. Okay, right, so I'm just going to run over to a nearby stand. Also, hitting control lets you sprint. Okay, it's gonna claim a booth. And as you can see here, oh my god, that's pretty laggy. Okay, alright, so as you can see here, if I just scroll, you have the 200 Robux pass. Okay, so yeah, that's pretty much how you do it, actually. You just go in and create it, okay? So, anyways, thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe, and also please donate. My username would be in the description. Okay, if you're feeling generous, please donate Robux. I am broke. So yeah, have a nice day. Please subscribe. Share this video to anyone who doesn't know. Do it. Have a nice day.